Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, India to foot the bill for ASTRA integration. In a strategic move to bolster its defense capabilities, the IAF has initiated collaboration with Dassault Aviation, the manufacturer of Rafale fighter jets. The objective is to integrate advanced Indian-made weaponry, especially the ASTRA, into these combat aircraft. This integration represents a significant step forward in enhancing the Rafale's combat capabilities. Next, Netra MKIII program to be taken up at a later stage. DRDO is forging ahead with ambitious airborne early warning and control system programs. Netra MK2 aimed at upgrading India's AEW and CS capabilities. DRDO's Center for Airborne System is spearheading this initiative, which involves the conversion of 6 pre-owned A321 aircraft from Air India into AEW and CS platforms. Next, IAF keen to have AN-32 replacement. IAF has embarked on a mission to find a suitable replacement for its aging AN-32 transport aircraft, as the earliest members of this fleet are set to mark 44 years in service by 2031-32. The AN-32, initially introduced in 1986, has served the IAF diligently for decades. Next, ISRO's effort to protect Sriharikota's coastline. While the achievement of India's space missions like Chandrayaan 3 and Aditya L1 have garnered international attention, another critical battle is taking place close to home. The Indian Space Research Organization is facing a persistent challenge in the form of sea erosion at Sriharikota, the nation's primary space port. Next, Indigenous drones with deep strike capabilities will take out terror hideouts across LOCs. In a significant development, Chief of Defence Staff General Anil Chauhan has revealed that India has acquired indigenous drones with the capability to strike deep inside enemy territory. Speaking at the North Tech Symposium in Jammu, he hinted at the country's growing arsenal of advanced technology, including loitering ammunition drones with an impressive range of 100 to 150 kilometers. This revelation underscores India's commitment to modernizing its defense capabilities and safeguarding national security. Next, Minister Kiren Rijiju shared images of Matasya 6000 for Samudrayaan expedition. India is set to embark on an unprecedented ocean exploration mission called Samudrayaan. As part of this mission, the National Institute of Ocean Technology, Chennai, is developing Matasya 6000, a state-of-the-art manned submersible. This vessel will enable aquanauts to delve into the mysteries of the deep sea, marking India's inaugural journey into manned ocean exploration. Matasya 6000 is designed to reach depths of up to 6,000 meters, with the first underwater voyage planned to reach 500 meters. Next, Turkey asserts its role in global trade corridors amid the emergence of IMEC. Turkey's president has recently pushed back against plans for the creation of the Indian Middle East Europe Economic Corridor, which aims to establish a trade route connecting South Asia to Europe. Leaders from India, Saudi Arabia and the European Union have proposed this corridor bypassing Turkey. His objections emphasize Turkey's vital role as a production and trade base and the need for it to be included in any major trade corridor for the smooth flow of goods between East and West. Thank you. Next, wait for some time. POK will automatically merge with India, says VK Singh. Minister of State of Road Transport and Highways retired General V.K. Singh on Monday said that Pakistan-occupied Kashmir will automatically merge with India after some time. Wait for some time. It will definitely merge with India. Singh in Dausa, Rajasthan, responded after he was asked about the demands of POK, Shia Muslims, to open the roads to India. Thank you.